over there getting their laundry. Small laundry. So you know it's good. It's a lot cheaper than having the hotels do it. You gotta one of these laundry shops.
Y'all ready for this?
Me and Rose are looking at another piece of land.
This pole start from here.
Here's what it looks like. It's like 2 acres they're selling, and it's right on the main road going to Phen. It's in Phen. It's about 40 minutes outside of Udon Thani. There's a big land grab going on right now. Everybody's worried about Bangkok flooding, and everybody's running to all the upper cities up in upper part of Thailand. This is what they're all buying up. And this one's pretty low. It's about $10,000 US. 11,005. Still low. Thanks for correcting me, asshole. But anyway, most of the properties are going for like 14 and more, just for an acre. The average is probably like 17, 18,000 an acre. So it'd be a good investment, whether we move here later when we retire or we want to flip it and make some money off of it.
Man, 5 ครึ่งน่ะคนละ20เลิก80ข้อกันก็เลิก80น่ะ20เลิก80 If we divide it like a separate.
Hey everybody, we're going to go get some bananas. Come along with us for the adventure of a lifetime. Let's see what happens here. Rose is gonna get some bananas. If she don't step in some shit first. Where's the bananas?
Right here.
Here's some bananas. Make sure you don't get a spider on you. Spiders love to hide in bananas.
Look, do song. Look, do song, stop, say.
Ow!
Look, do song, stop, say.
Rose doesn't know what she's doing.
I got it.
Got it.
See the field?
Look, do song. Look. ใครอะไรกันนะฮะ
What you got there?
We got bananas. And we got some chicken.
We're not gonna eat the chicken, we're gonna eat the bananas.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Watch out for that shit right there. I don't know what kind of shit that is. It's big. There's another one.
cow.
It's like fucking walking through a landmine field.
Careful, huh?
Don't careful me. Got some chickens over here.
That's some garden. It's organic.
Organic.
Organic. Long bean,
Okay.
bamboo, and I don't know what this is called. This lemongrass,
Where?
cilantro, dill.
That's probably weeds. You're just calling it names and shit.
What in my hand?
I don't like that knife in your hand.
What in my
Put it
hand?
away.
Huh?
Come on, man. What are you doing
Let's
with the
go into
bananas?
your pan.
Hello. You done?
Yeah?
เนี่ยบางว่าขึ้นตาดีแค่ใหญ่เลยเถอะเขาบอกอยู่ว่าเห็นหอดกล้วยสุกไว้นะ
better eat that one.
Yeah.
We're ready for the market.
No. What? Falling apart.
Those ones are half price because they're falling apart.
What?
The hell is that?
My mom said after you take everything off, you do like this. So the next time they will give you more.
Oh,
It's a trick.
classy move.
Okay.
Here's some ant egg nests. They have about 3 of them in this tree. They like to eat them over here. They put all kinds of spices and stuff mixed in, vegetables. I think I'll pass.